Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the hardware. Charge your Xbox controller above 50% and get a quality USB-C cable. Once ready, power on the ROG Ally and switch it to its gaming profile so CPU/GPU drivers prioritize input. Make sure Bluetooth is disabled to prevent the system from attempting a wireless pairing. Now plug the controller into the Ally's USB-C port. This triggers Windows to enumerate a new device immediately. Once the cable is connected, Windows will begin installing the Xbox controller drivers automatically. You should see install notifications. If you want to verify, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and confirm the controller shows up as an input device. This step explains why the wired method avoids pairing quirks. If Windows fails, open Device Manager, scan for hardware changes, and explicitly update the HID/Xbox driver. These actions force the OS to bind the correct driver and expose the controller to games. Finally, test the controller in Windows Game Bar or Steam Big Picture to confirm buttons, sticks, triggers, and vibration work. This shows how the system is receiving signals. Once done, load Call of Duty, set the controller layout, and tune dead zones for accuracy. If anything goes wrong, first swap the cable. Faulty cables are the most common issue. Then try a different USB port and reinstall the Xbox driver. That single troubleshooting step resolves most connection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.